Happy good evening. It's not exactly morning anymore, is it? It's the end of the week. Workout is done. Haven't washed my hair in 5 days. So I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to share all of my tips, tricks, and secrets about skincare, tanning routine, and hair care. Lee, on a scale of 1 to can't control yourself, how excited are you? First and foremost, I need some energy. So I'm gonna make a protein shake and then we're gonna get into the little routine. Thank you, BioClarity, for sponsoring this video. We're gonna get more into their awesome products later. This isn't the routine that I do every single night. This is kind of like a treat yourself kind of night. Oh, and everything we talk about is gonna be linked down below. Protein shake consists of cashew milk, the new Idealfit chocolate peanut butter protein, a little bit of oats, banana. Wow, if that's not appetizing. The next step of our lovely night routine. I don't think I've ever been more excited to wash my hair. Can I help you? We're gonna let that warm up, finish the shake.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Does anybody else's dog watch them when they're in the shower? There I am, minding my own business, when all of a sudden, this little face pops in. Why are you so weird? Before I dive into this routine, let me just say I have the driest skin. The climate, especially in the winter, is very dry. So everything that you see me do today is to combat that. Oh, and also just to make me feel relaxed and happy because it's been a week. Let's start with the skincare. Like I said, my skin is very dry. I'm talking like scaly, peeling off my face dry. But the thing that has helped it so much over the last few weeks is BioClarity. I wouldn't recommend a product to you guys that I don't think is safe or I don't think is effective, and their stuff is both of those things. If you're interested in my routine, I'm gonna have a link to it right down below in the description. The Hopes post-workout faves. My routine is going to include a cleanser, the restoration gel, a hydrating skin smoothie, and my favorite, the hydrating mask. First step is the cleanser. Normally I do this step in the shower, but did you see my shower? We're not all gonna fit in there. All of the BioClarity products are made from clean, green ingredients. It's 100% cruelty-free, fragrance-free, gluten-free. Next is my favorite, the hydrating mask. It makes such a difference with hydrating and softening the skin, but it also helps even out my complexion. Isn't peeling off face masks one of the most satisfying things? The next step is the Restore Gel. This helps reduce the appearance of redness and pores, so I mostly put it in my little T-zone here. And last but not least, we have the Hydrating Skin Smoothie. I do have a code for BioClarity, which will get you 15% off of any one product, or you can get up to 55% off of any routine, including my post-workout faves routine. So make sure to check out all that down below. As for the rest of my skin, I don't really do anything with it until after I'm done with my tanning routine. But one thing that I do, I like to once or twice a week use one of these electronic callus removers. I got this little guy from Costco. Like, it's kind of gross. Wait. No, but it will seriously change your life. And then I put some lotion on them and some fuzzy socks to lock the moisture in. Okay, let's talk about hair care. Right when I get out of the shower, I put in some of this It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. I've been using this for like 10 years. And then I brush it out. I'll let it air dry a little bit and then I'll take a blow dryer to it. I can't let it air dry all the way because I have hair extensions and my natural hair is super curly and the extensions are very, very straight. So if I let it naturally dry, my hair will curl up really tight and this hair won't, and it will like matte at the root. And then whether I have extensions in or not, I like to put some oil. Helps with the dryness, protects it from the heat. Back to the hair extensions. The type of extensions that I have right now are called Natural Beaded Rose. The thing that I like the most about these, there's 2 tracks of hair basically, just right here and right here all the way around. So all of this is my natural hair. There's no extensions in there, which makes it really easy to pull my hair up and you can't see extensions. The shampoo that I use is this Fanola No Yellow. It's very purple, as you can see. The bottles have definitely seen better days, but this helps so much to keep my blonde hair blonde, and it also smells like candy. Let's tan. I do get spray tans, but sometimes I just like to do my own tan because I feel like I can be a little more thorough. I've used a ton of different self tanners, but my favorite lately has been the St. Tropez in extra dark. Definitely due for a tan. So most people's fears with these self-tanning mousses is that they're gonna turn out really orange. Not at all the case with this one. If anything, it has kind of a weird bluish green tint to it. Oh, that was kind of a lot. Oh, little circles. See, like it looks really dark and almost kind of muddy, but it's beautiful when it washes off. Holy cow. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then I'll put body lotion on. Very tan and happy and moisturized. Hope Scope checking in. It's time to snuggle my puppy and edit. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Bio Clarity bundle before you go. The link's down in the description. And remember to use my discount code to save some money. Leo and I will see you guys in the next video. Wait, Leo, say bye YouTube. Yeah. Okay, bye.